Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I will show you the snake and ladder game using Pygame library. So let's run the Python file and it shows the Pygame forward. Now click any key to continue. Let's click on play button. You can select the multiple players or single player. I'm selecting single player. Now the player and the computer can play. Okay, if you click on the computer, then the computer will play, and if you click on the player one button, then player will play. Let's click on back button. Now you can select the two player where the two player can play. Let's click on the second player. So second player will play. Again click on the back button. Now select the third player. Okay, now three player can play parallelly, and this is the four player where four player can play easily. You just have to click on the buttons like player 1, player 2, player 3 and player 4, and the goatee will move forward according to the player. Now, if you click on the quiet button, it will close the software. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with a friend. Thank you.